I just finished the live masterclass. If you actually missed it, you missed the best offer to actually scale your Amazon FBA business in 2025 that you are ever going to have in your whole life. However, I feel generous. So there's going to be a link in the description and in the pinned comment, all right? With this link, you can book a call with a member of my team and we are going to see if we can actually help you scale your business in 2025, all right? More information by booking the call, okay? But if you missed, I pretty much shared how to scale your business in 2025, what you should actually focus on if you want to either start an Amazon business doing online arbitrage or actually scale, right? What I wanted to do right now, and you might say that I'm really tired, I wanted to go and pick up inventory for Q4 because I've been doing a shit ton of money with Q4. However, I cannot break $7,000 in sales a day. I'm actually pissed, okay? I cannot break $7,000, but like I've been averaging in between $3,000 to $5,000. On a good day, I'm at $6,500 a day in sales. Been doing really good. If you were on the live call, I actually shared, because a lot of people are always asking, share your sales. I used to do it every single month. You missed out if you were not on the live call, right? But yeah, I was supposed to go pick up inventory, but it's Art Basel in Miami, and so there's too much traffic. I'm waiting. I'm going to go a little bit later, so I'm chilling at the park. I haven't chilled for 4 days because Q4 is crazy. But yeah, if you want your Q4 next year to be crazy, if you want to scale your business, if you really want to scale your business, if you want to cut all the guru bullshit that you see on YouTube, if you want the help of somebody that has done it in the past for himself and for a ton of people, there's a link below. You can book a call with a member of my team right now and we can scale your Amazon business together. Right now, starting right now for 2024. So next year during Q4, you can make a shit ton of money and you can make a shit ton of money starting in January, because scaling your Amazon business is not just during December, during Q4, all right? So hopefully I'll see you soon. Get on a call with a member of my team. We are going to scale your business, all right? I want to help you scale your business like I helped so many people in the past. Just look at my track record, okay? On the coaching page that I have, all that stuff. Look on the Discord server, success tab. I'll see you if you schedule a call with my team, all right? And we'll get you in. We'll scale your Amazon business. I'll see you soon.